today we're gonna do K12 math. Click on it to enjoy. What is the volume of this right rectangular prism? Okay, so now we have to do multiplication. 15 times 6 is 90. And 90 times 8 is 720. So the volume is 720 centimeters squared. Correct. Sarah has a pool in her backyard. It is being set up for the summer and is not yet completely full of water. Sarah must calculate the volume of her pool in order to purchase supplies. The pool takes up 4 yards by 8 yards of the backyard, and the depth of the water right now is 2 yards. So now we're going to have the length is 4 yards. The width is 8 yards. And the depth or the height is 2 yards. That's 2 yards. What is the volume? What is 4 times 8? We can do 4 times 8, which equals 32, then 32 times 2, which equals 64. Or we can do 4 times 2, which equals 8, then 8 times 2 is 64. 64 cubic yards. Okay, here's a different pool. The filter in a swimming pool helps remove dirt and debris from the pool's water. The size of the filter depends on the volume of water in the pool. Sarah's pool needs a new filter. To decide which filter is appropriate, find the volume of water in the pool. Sarah's pool is 24 feet long, 12 feet wide, and 8 feet deep. Which size filter should Sarah buy? Use the volume formula to find the volume of water in the pool. Since the length, width, and height of the water are given, use the formula V equals L times W times H. Sarah's pool is 24 feet long, 12 feet wide, and 8 feet deep. Which size filter should Sarah buy? Substitute the dimensions into the formula, then multiply. Oh, okay. The volume of the water is 2,000. The volume of water in the pool is 2,304 cubic feet. And now since 2,304 is greater than 2,000 but less than 3,000, she should buy a medium pool filter. A pool takes up 300 square feet of a backyard, and the depth of the water is 6 feet. Which size filter should be used for this pool? Okay. 6 times 3 equals 18. And then 6 times 3 is 18. We have to add the extra 2 zeros from the 300 right here. So that would be 1,800 cubic feet. So it should be a small size. Eric's freezer has a volume of 20,000 cubic inches. He freezes 30 cartons of strawberries in the freezer. Each carton is 10 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 5 inches high. What is the volume of 1 carton of strawberries? 4 times 5 equals 20. And 20 times 10 equals 200. What is the volume of all the cartons of strawberries? Okay, so now we're going to have to do 200. We're going to have to do 200 times 30. First, let's do 2 times 3. Then we'll add 3 extra zeros. 1 from here and 2 from here. 2 times 3 is... You got it. It's 6. And then 6, you have the 3 zeros back. And then that's 6,000. That's 6,000 inches squared. I add the comma there. Yes. How much space will be left in Eric's freezer after all of the strawberry cartons are placed inside? Okay, so now we're going to have to do 20,000 minus 6,000. 20,000 minus 6,000. It's easy. You can just... 20,000 minus 6,000, basically the same thing as 20 minus 6 within the 3 extra zeros. That would be 14,000. There is 14,000 space left. 14,000 inches cubed. Why did I say inches squared? Correct. Amelie has 2 shipping boxes. Box A has a base area of 288 square inches and a height of 16 inches. Box B has a base area of 242 square inches and a height of 18 inches. What is the volume of box A? Oh, this will be challenging. So I'll have to multiply. So let me start by multiplying 2. Hold up a second. Okay, so I opened the app where I can draw it. So it was 288 times 16. Let's do, since I already know 280, let's break it down into 10 and 6. I already know that 288 times 10 is 2,880. But now I have to clear this, and then I have to do 288 times 6. Okay, I finished doing the calculations, so now I'll ask you guys, what is 6 plus 0? You got it, it's 6. What is 2 plus 8? You got it, it's 10. But since we don't have another space over here, we have to put it here. What is 1 plus 7? You got it, it's 8. Now we erase this up here, and then now what is 8 plus 8? Nice job. It's 16. You have to put the 1 here again. What is 1 plus 1? Awesome. It's 2. And what is 2 plus 2? Great, it's 4. So the answer is 4,606. That is the answer for that. 606. Let's see if we got it right. Huh? Oh, wait, I have to do the calculations again. Oh, I see where I went wrong. Look, let me go back. You see, the answer 288 times 6 is 1,728. But here I wrote 1,726 instead of 1,728. So actually, the correct answer is 4,608. We got it. Next question. Box B has a volume, a base area of 242 square inches in height. So now we have to do 242 square. We have to do 242 times 18. Okay, let's do the same thing as last time. Open this up, and then I already know that 242 times 10 is 2,420. So we'll keep that down there. So then let me erase that. And now, oops. And now we have to do 242 times 8. Let me bring the 8 down here. Oops. Two times 8 is 16. 4 times 8 is, that's 32. But since there's that 1, we're going to put a 3 down here. And then a 3 up here. 2 times 8, 16. We're going to put a 9 down here because we have to add. And then the 242 times 8 is 1936. Okay, got it ready. That's 6 over there. Okay, what is 6 plus 0? Awesome, it's 6. What is 3 plus 2? Hooray, it's 5. What is 9 plus 4? You're doing great. It's 13. What is 1 plus 1? You're doing great. It's 2. And now what is 2 plus 2? Keep it up. It is 4. So I think the answer is 4,356. 4,356. And hooray! Oh, so now we're supposed to subtract 4,608 by, we're supposed to subtract 4,356 from 4,608. Okay, I can't do it I can't do the answer in my head, so let's go back to here. Okay. What is 8 minus 6? Nice! It is 2. What is 10 minus 5? Good job. It's 5. What is 5 minus 3? Great. It is 2. And what is 4 minus 4? You rock star. It's 0. So the answer is no thousands, 2 hundreds, 5 tenths, and 2 ones, or 252. Hooray, we got it right. Bye everyone. See you in our next video.